If your MacBook only has a USB-C port and you're wondering how to connect a regular USB flash drive, here's how you do it. If you have a flash drive already and it has a USB-C connector, simply plug it into your MacBook. But then the new MacBooks don't usually have that. So what you're going to need is a special adapter. Now there's adapters that are made just for flash drives and they're just like, it looks like a little connection, but I actually have this multi-function one. And I prefer this because it allows me to actually plug in more than one. It also has another USB-C. It has a SD and a micro SD as well as a HDMI. Okay, sorry. And yeah, so all we have to do now is take the flash drive. We're going to go ahead and plug it in here. Then we simply plug it into one of the USB-C ports. So I'm going to plug it in on the side. And just to give you an example, some of the old, this is a 2018 MacBook that I used to have and used to use, and it doesn't have any ports. It only has like this one jack right here and USB for power. So, yep, that's pretty much it. And once you do, this will pop up on the top. Now, you're going to want to do the right click or drag this out to the bottom and eject when you're finished, because in case it's downloading, you don't want to lose any information. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video helps, please give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you.